Want to ditch that tiny phone screen and dive into the Google Play Store universe right on your computer? Let's make it happen. First up, emulators. Think of them as virtual Android devices living inside your computer. A super popular choice is BlueStacks. Just head to BlueStacks.com, download the installer, and follow the prompts to set it up. Once installed, launch BlueStacks. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. Just like on your phone then, the Google Play Store is right there, ready for you to download and run your favorite apps. Next, Chrome extensions offer another avenue. Search for Welder in the Chrome Web Store and install it. After installation, launch Welder. You will be prompted to select a directory for temporary files. Once selected, you can load app files of Android apps to run them. Finally, screen mirroring. This is perfect if you just want to see your phone screen on your computer. Apps like Visor or AirDroid can do the trick. Download the app on both your phone and computer, follow the connection instructions, and voila! Your phone screen and access to the Google Play Store is mirrored right on your desktop. So, whether you prefer the full-blown emulator experience, the Chrome extension route, or simple screen mirroring, you've got options to bring the Google Play Store and your favorite Android apps to your computer. Enjoy!